Hello YouTube, welcome to the shop. So today I want to utilize some space, and I've got a whole bunch of clamps back here, and I want to utilize the space a little bit better. So I've got this opening underneath my loft, and I thought about storing my clamps up top here. Thought my impact was screwing a little funny. That would be why. Yeah, I think that turned out pretty good. Good way to use up some loft space. And these last three clamps, I didn't know what else to do, but they fit over the cabinet pretty well.